I'm here to talk to you guys about this little guy called the Roadie. It's a device that makes it easy to watch your dash cam videos without having to leave your car or without having to take your device out of your car. So let's see how it works. All right, so we can see we got, a couple Sentry mode events. I wonder what those are. So I'm going to pull up the Roadie app, which is free in the App Store. There's a demo mode you can try if you want, which will pull up some, pre-existing videos I recorded. Or you could just leave the demo, and since I have my Roadie here plugged in, I don't know if you can see it in there, but I can just connect to it. When I connect to it, you'll see what I get here is actually a live view of what's outside. So I don't have to, unplug anything, put it into my phone. I don't have to take the USB card out and bring it into my laptop. It's just right here on my phone. And every time I refresh, I get the updated videos. So let's look at what these Sentry mode events are. Let's look at this one first. I think I might know what this is. I think there might be something going on here. Let's see. You can click on any of the videos and it brings it full screen. You can rotate it. Oh, there we go. What the heck is that? It seems we have a scream. This guy hangs around my car all the time, causing trouble. Now, one of the interesting things you could do with this is you can also scrub, just like a regular video. I can also scrub here on all 4 videos at the same time, if you want to. I could slow down the video. I can speed it up at 2x. There we go, slow motion. And if I want to, I can go in and save this to my camera so I can share it with my friends. You'll see this little progress bar here. That's showing the video, and that will download in the background. You don't have to do anything. You can keep going on and looking at stuff. So we've got our Sentry mode tab. We've got our saved, which is anytime you press the save button. Our recent videos, which I showed you before. Now, usually on a Tesla, the recent videos, there's our videos been saved to our camera roll. I can show you that later. And if I want to, I can go ahead and get rid of stuff I don't want. To free up some room, I can delete this batch of videos. There, well, it deleted there. They just all look the same. I can also scroll through a batch of them that have been recorded all together. And in recent videos on the Tesla, usually what happens is it only stores the last 60 minutes or so of recent videos, and then it overwrites them. Now, what's interesting about the Roadie is we've set it up so that it will try to keep as many recent videos as possible, as long as there's room on the disk. You might be asking, how do I know how much room's on the disk? We can go under our settings and we can see that we've got 88% full. So once it starts running out of space, it will it'll free up some of your recent videos. You see here we can access our hotspot. So instead of the phone connecting to the Roadie, we can have the Roadie connect to the phone. That's for faster streaming. And then our home Wi-Fi we can also set up here so that when we are on our couch, we can turn on our Tesla, boots up the Roadie, and then you can access your videos from your house. All right, so that's a quick explanation of what the Roadie is, what it does. Thank you.